Let's talk about NLP metrics, which I think are extremely valuable since a lot of stuff these days is NLP driven with large language models. So, if there's any metrics you want to learn, it's going to be these ones. But again, this is just heavy text here. But, if we do have a chance to work with these directly, that's where we're going to fully understand these metrics. Let's first take a look at Perplexity. This is the probability of a sentence that appears in the corpus. Okay. Then you have bilingual evaluation under study. I call it BLEU. I think other people call it BLEU, even though it would have to be BLUE for that. I'm still going to call it BLEU. It evaluates the quality of text that has been translated by a machine from one natural language to another. The BLEU score is a number between 0 and 1 that measures the similarity of a machine-translated text to a set of high-quality reference translations. BLEU metric performs badly when used to evaluate individual sentences. BLEU metric does not distinguish between content and function words. BLEU is not good at capturing meaning and grammaticality of a sentence, but it's ideal for machine translation, so English to French. Then we have Meteor, so metric of evaluation translation with explicit ordering. Wow, that's a long one. It's precision-based metric for the evaluation of machine translation output. It overcomes the pitfalls of BLEU. It allows synonyms and stem words to be matched with a reference word. It's ideal for machine translation, so again, English to French. Then we have recall-oriented understudy I can't say the rest, but this is ROUGE. So it's an evaluation metric, measures the recall. It's ideal for summarization stacks. So yeah, these ones you're going to see like BLEU, Meteor, ROUGE. There's a few other ones, I think. But I mean, this would be useful for me because, right now I'm building language learning Japanese from English to Japanese, Japanese to English. So I could maybe try to figure out how to use this as a measurement in maybe one of our labs, okay?